In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add stock in Zoho Books step by step. If you manage products, inventory, or physical goods in your business, keeping track of stock properly is extremely important. Zoho Books makes this process simple by allowing you to create items, track inventory, and monitor how much stock you have available at any time. The best part is that once your inventory tracking is set up correctly, Zoho Books will automatically update your stock levels whenever you create invoices, bills, or purchases. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of creating a stock item and enabling inventory tracking so your products are recorded correctly inside Zoho Books. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials and business software guides. Now let's jump straight into the process. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you are inside the main dashboard, look at the left side navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the major modules like sales, purchases, items, banking, and reports. To begin adding stock, go to the left sidebar and click on Items. After clicking Items, select Items again from the drop-down or list so you can see all the products and services currently available in your Zoho Books account. If you are setting this up for the first time, your list may be empty, and that's completely normal. Next, go to the top right corner of the Items page and click the plus New button. This will open the item creation page where you can enter all the details about the product you want to track in your inventory. The first important setting you'll see is the item type. Since we are adding stock for a physical product, choose Goods as the item type. Goods are used for products that you buy, sell, and keep in inventory. This tells Zoho Books that the item will be tracked as part of your stock. After selecting Goods, move to the Item Name field and type the name of your product. For example, you might enter something like accounting textbook, office notebook, laptop stand, or any other product your business sells. Try to use clear and descriptive names so it's easier to find your items later when creating invoices or purchase orders. Next, enter the SKU, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit. The SKU is a unique identifier used to track products internally. Many businesses use short codes or numbers for SKUs because they make inventory management faster and more organized. While this field may be optional for some users, it's a good practice to include an SKU for every inventory item you create. After that, choose the unit for the item. The unit defines how the product will be measured in your inventory. For example, you might use units like pieces, boxes, kilograms, or packs depending on the type of product you sell. Selecting the correct unit is important because Zoho Books will use this measurement whenever stock quantities increase or decrease. Now here's the key step that enables stock tracking. Look for the checkbox labeled Track Inventory for this item and make sure it is selected. When this option is enabled, Zoho Books will begin monitoring the quantity of this product in your inventory. This means every time you purchase more of the item or sell it to a customer, the available stock will automatically update. Once inventory tracking is enabled, you can continue filling out additional details such as sales information, purchase information, pricing, and opening stock if you already have inventory available. Adding accurate information here helps Zoho Books maintain proper records and generate better reports for your business. After you finish entering all the required information, simply click Save. Your new inventory item will now be added to Zoho Books, and the system will start tracking its stock levels moving forward. And that's it. That's how you add stock in Zoho Books and enable inventory tracking for your products. Once your items are set up correctly, managing purchases, sales, and stock levels becomes much easier. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting software guides, and productivity tips for your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.